Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a super cute advent calendar for December and counting down the days until Christmas. You guys, the holidays are almost here and I'm so excited to show you guys this awesome way to count down the days. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. This makes the perfect gift for anyone. I actually did this for a Secret Santa exchange and my friend loved it so much. So I think that this is a really great DIY gift idea. Guys, so really quick pause. This video that you guys are watching was supposed to go up last week, but everything has been really crazy and hectic with finals and school finishing up, so I decided to upload it today. But don't worry, there's still going to be another video on Christmas. So anyways, just let's get back to the video. But that is why this video is going up so late. I'm so sorry, but I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do like this or want to see any more DIY gift ideas, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below. And while you're done there, subscribe so you don't miss any more of these awesome winter videos. I will be posting twice a week, or try to post twice a week for the rest of the winter, and I am so excited. Let's just go ahead and get on into it. Let's go! Okay, let's get started. The first thing that you guys are going to need is any sort of a long, shallow box. Now, I had this old Nook box somehow under my bed that I found, and I was like, I could do something cool with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the cover, and I'm going to divide it in half on both sides in order to create two halves of the box that is just divided equally in half. And make sure that you use a ruler so that it's pretty even, because we don't want it to be uneven. Now I'm just going to take some scissors and cut it out. I decided to mark all the way along the entire box so that it would be as even as possible, and that worked really well, and I got two sides of the cover. Now I'm also going to just trim this down to size and make it smooth, and you guys can sand it if you want, if you're using a thicker cardboard, but mine was pretty thin, so I just decided to trim off all the excess edges and kind of all the sharp bits and stuff like that. Now once you have that, it should slide pretty easily on and off of the other box. Now we don't want each of the halves to fall apart, so we are going to cut out some other cardboard and put it on one of the edges so that it stays in place. Now after you have attached both of the ends, I just used hot glue. It should be pretty stable on one of the sides. Just make sure not to do both because we want to still be able to slide it out. So it should look something like this. Next we are going to go into the inside box, and I'm going to take one of the halves of the little shallow box, and I am going to start cutting out two different rows for the advent calendar. So I'm just going to use an X-Acto knife and cut out two equal long rectangles in the top box. You should get something that looks like this. Now when you remove the covers, you should just have two long rectangles, and don't worry because there is no boxes yet, but that is what we're going to do now. We are just going to take all of the excess cardboard that we cut out of the two rectangles, and we are going to use it to create even boxes all along the top and the bottom, and in total you should have 12. That was the really fun part, when you get to be creative and decorate all of the boxes. I decorated some of them with clouds, bubbles, galaxies, whatever you guys want to do. And this is the most fun part. So I just turned on a holiday movie and I was just having a lot of fun decorating all of the boxes. And in the end, it should look something like this. Don't forget to label each of the boxes counting down from 12 or whatever number you are going from. Next, we are going to decorate the cover, which is also really fun. I had so much fun decorating with a bunch of different candy canes, snowmen, clouds, all the different holiday things like that. And on the bottom half, I just wrote of memories, and then on the top half, I wrote 12 days, and then together it should say 12 days of memories. So this is just one of the ideas, but it can represent whatever you guys are counting down to if it's going to be New Year's. And then you could just draw any New Year's or wintry things that you guys want. Next, we are going to start prepping it by just making sure that both of the covers can slide on and off pretty smoothly. If you guys need to cut it any more, then you can. And then I also decided to print out some photos from each of the days. And if you guys also have little small trinkets, then you could put that in there as well. For example, this one was a beach day theme, and I decided to put a little seahorse trinket in it, and I think it looks really cute. Now you guys can put whatever gifts inside, but in the end, it should close up like this, and no matter how hard you shake it, all of the different things should stay put. Now I'm just going to wrap it up with a ribbon and write a little card, and that is all for this awesome DIY. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys are having a fun holiday season. I will be uploading again on Christmas on Wednesday with a really cool video. So make sure that you guys subscribe right here on the screen, and also click the watch now button to watch my last video. I'll see you guys on Wednesday with another awesome video. Bye!